Здравейте, аз съм Илко от Trio 5.
Аз съм... Кой съм аз?
Здравейте, аз съм Десо от Trio 5.
Може аз съм Тони.
Аз съм Десо от Trio 5.
Аз съм Илко, диджей Илко от Trio 5.
Аз съм Десислав Иванов, Десо.
Здравейте, аз съм Антони Рикев. Казват ми Тони.
Hello, my name is Michael Fleming. I'm a singer in the group 305.
Целият процес беше доста интересен. Бяхме няколко дни на Калиакрия, където снимахме голямата част от видеото. В дух на разбирателство.
Аз сме щастливи, че така се подредиха нещата. Благодарим на Господ и на хората, с които бачкаме.
Life's got me broke. Sometimes I dream and the dreams I choke. So many hard times I can see the light. It still shines, but it shines out of sight. When I walk home.
Nowhere to Go, I wrote that song about 2003. The meaning is self-explanatory, but you know, there's nowhere to go. Sometimes you feel like that. You know, we all feel like there's nowhere to go. Sometimes life got you broke. It seemed like you've done everything and it's like drained you and you have nothing else. You know. Sometimes I dream, and on the dreams I choke. It's like people, they dream too big and then they choke on them, and they don't know how to recover. And one of the things I learned through writing the song was that I can recover from any situation. So Nowhere to Go should be a reminder to everybody that, yeah, there's nowhere to go, but the light still shines. It shines out of sight, you know. You may not see it when you're trying to get the job or, you know, get the record deal or get the girlfriend, but the light still shines, you know, it's just out of sight, you know what I mean? It's in your mind.
No. Come on. The light still shines. But the side I can't feel. Come on.
На Моренци бяхме, на Калиакрия. Това е един комплекс близо до Каварна, където прекарахме повечето време. Много се забавлявахме предимно. По-малко снимахме, но качествено.
Да казвам ли за екстрите или да не казвам?
Това е нещо, без което не може.
Няма да казвам други неща. Имаше неприятни моменти, ама без тях не може. Явно трябва да има адреналин.
We get there, set up. Okay, want you to do this, Mike, move over here, go here. Everything is strategic, everything is planned. It was great. The atmosphere for the video is actually I feel it's a little bit more in the aspect that I feel like I should have wrote something stronger because the way Tiboko he did the video it's almost like too much for the song. I feel just in a little way, but I think it's gonna go smooth. And to get I'm not gonna tell you anything about the details. I'll let everybody see. You know, I think you'll be playing this first before you show the video. Hopefully, or wherever it goes. We were at the Black Sea, I can just tell you that. So it's not like everybody else's video. I can tell you that too, for sure. About the music of the song, it's actually crazy because I write songs without music.
Музиката е мое дело, малко такова нескромно звучи, ама така се случи в този момент. И така момчета приеха много добре идеята и насоката на стила. И се получи много яка симбиоза от хаос звучението и съответно от музиката на Trio 5.
After a couple years, the track got to the States and one record company liked it so much that they wanted to get all the material from it. So this means we have to make some music for the song. And then at this time we have Tony in the group, and he's like, well, what song, give it to him. He's like, why you guys didn't give it to me before? It's like 2 years later, 3 years, almost 4. He just took it and made some magic. Then Yoko had another version of this already, but he didn't finish it. Shortly after we finished the first track, which you hear now for the video with Tony, we have like 3 or 4 more other tracks that many people don't know about, and of Nowhere to Go. And the music that Tony did was the one that stood out the most, and because we didn't want to hit the people too hard with something more casual lounge, we had to keep it 305, you know what I'm saying? Infinity, it's always going, ever changing. So the music was excellent, how Tony put it together. Desso added his flavor to it, Ilko did his touch-ups to it, then we just put it together. It's like molding a sculpture,
И тук за Тери трябваше да кажа нещо.
Това ми беше първия сблъсък с тази игра и мисля, че стана голям фен, но както каза един приятел, бе още правя секс. Тоест има време да почна да играя голф.
И аз мога.
Когато за първи път се докосна до стика и реших да ударя топката, тя излетя на 300 метра и я загубихме в един строеж. И реших с втората и втората отлетя там и ги загубихме безвъзвратно.
Everybody feels that way, but at the end of it, the light still shines. So it's just a reminder, At that time I wrote it, I was going through a period where I didn't think anything was going to happen positive, so...
Посланието е много, как се казва, много странно е. В смисъл, много хора виждат нещата и тълкуват текста по различен начин. Всеки си намира общо взето смисъл за него.
At the end, all said and done, the light was shining already. I just had to go inside myself and find it.
Самата песен е добра. Има добро послание, което се надявам всички да разберат и да чуят.
Винаги се намира изход. Тоест няма неща, които не можеш да поправиш. Единственото нещо, което не можеш да поправиш, това е, всички знаем кое е, но винаги има изход. Винаги може да се получи добър край във всяко начинание, което си започнал.
За I Can Do те прегърнаха много идеята и много приятно се отзоваха с помощта с това да се реализира. Решихме ние по ответна реакция да подарим парчето, да бъде посланник на тази идеална идея или чиста идея, вече не знам как да се изразя.
I Can Do, this is crazy because I have to tell you the true story.
Бих казал това послание, защото и аз мога. Мисля, че с музиката можем да променим света.
I think it's a great organization. I think they have a great start. I think the music is not the foundation or the basis of the I Can Do Foundation, but I think it's a great start to incorporate some musical talent there to show the children some positive vibrations through music and through sound. And I think it's a good combination. Everything is positive, and we're trying to do our best,
I Can Do много ни помогнаха, защото самия клип може да се каже, че създаден благодарение на I Can Do.
And I think that with I Can Do being a strong foundation, I think it's a great move. A great foundation. It's pretty cool, actually.
Didn't make it, man, I hate it. I'm tired of living with the snakes, them venomous jakes, robbing the whole state, taking no prisoners, them underground killers. Lord set me free from the belly of the beast. At least give me a little peace to sleep amongst the sheep.
I love music. Tony loves music. Deso loves music. Ilko loves music, and we have a lot of friends. We have a lot of, you know, people on the support side that are more than friends. We can say.
Сега подготвяме албум, двоен албум от 20 парчета. Единият ще е по-чил, другия ще е по-клубен. Ще има чил сайт и клуб сайт.
It's a good feeling sometimes it'll take you to a place maybe you don't want to go, but sometimes we have to go to those really crazy places in order to find out who we really are, you know.
Албума е нашата мечта, която искам сега скоро да се сбъдне, защото това е нашето послание към всички наши приятели, хората, които обичат тая музика.
Well, for the people, I like to speak on behalf of all of us. We love you. We care. We really do.
Dreams I try